Jazz fatally shot after opening gunfire on cops at Clarendon party. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was fatally shot by the police during an alleged confrontation at a party in Longbow District, Town, Clarendon on Sunday morning. The police identified the man as Andre Ingram, age 41, otherwise called Jazz, a resident of Town. A police report said that at around 1:40 a.m., Ingram was at a permitted party in Longbow District firing shots from an illegal firearm. The police were alerted, and on arrival at the entertainment event, Ingram reportedly opened fire at the cops. It's further reported that the police took evasive action and returned the fire, at which point Ingram was shot and injured. Ingram was taken to the Spalding Percy Jr. Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police said that a 9mm pistol containing several live rounds and bearing a serial number was seized. The police has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.